So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to free up space on Capcut. So by freeing up space, we basically mean clearing the cache. Clearing the cache is just gonna delete the certain downloads you've downloaded inside the application. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So for example, I go to this audio and I'm gonna choose one of the music and we just click this download icon here. Or you also can do this with the effects or stickers. Now, for example, I can download this circle right here because I use it often. So now it's downloaded. If I clear the cache, we're gonna go to this setting icon, click on the settings and just click on cache size. Click on this delete icon next to the cache and we're just gonna delete the cache and save. Now we go back to the project and we're gonna check the stickers, and as you can see, it needs to be downloaded again. So I just click this again. So clearing the cache doesn't really delete anything important, but it's gonna make a much better performance for you while editing a project. Alright, so all in all, this is how to free up space on Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.